Show me what inside the egg.
Man.
Laman. No more laman, man.
No.
Sit down properly. Yep. Hirap na hirap siya magbukas eh. Oh, I'm waiting. What inside? I'm excited. What inside the egg?
Don't open.
Hmm?
Bite in, bite. Big bite.
Which one? This one?
Okay.
Wow!
Oy!
Ay, Renat, please show me.
Toy.
Oo.
Toy.
Ay, wow! Excited man ang bata. Wow! What's that? What's that? Only plastic?
Uy.
Ay, balloon!
Balon yun ma.
This is balloon. Show me.
Balon po niya.
How become balloons that one?
Ma. Ito yun.
Saan? Paano? How? Dito ka.
Ganun ma.
Ha? Ayun. Saan? Sino? Sino? This one? Ano ako marunong na? Okay. I think here. Saan ba yun? Meron yan siya nakbutas. Oh, antok pa. Here, I think. Here. Valve like this.
Bulon yan ma. Bulon.
Hmm?
Bulon.
Balon. Gini. Yan. Oh, here. Yan, yan natin. More. Ayan, sige, more. More pa. Tukang namanaan. Sige, more. Ayan, more pa. More pa. Dali. More. Sige. I think bus. One blow pa. One blow pa. Oh, bus.
Ulan AGGG.
Wow. What's this one? H. 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 H na H. Galing. Ang galing-galing naman ito.
Ma,
Ha?
ito yun.
Which one? No, don't open it. Already fixed now. No, don't open.
Ma,
Yeah.
ito.
You put the screw here and then you blow.
Blue.
Galing. You play this one. Only that one? No more candy?
Numulan candy.
No more candy? Bye-bye. See you, bye.
Bye.
Bye. What's color that one? Huh? Blue. Very good. This one, what is this? H.
Egg.
H. Hmm?